Struggling with Nginx configurations that feel like herding cats? SSL handshakes timing out, DDoS attacks slipping through, or caching strategies that hit more misses than a baseball rookie? This pack gives you battle tested skills, reverse proxy chains that route traffic like a GPS, SSL termination with Let's Encrypt automation, load balancing algorithms, round robin, least connections, IP hash, Redis backed caching layers, and security headers like HSTS and CSP that make hackers rage quit. System admins, DevOps engineers, SREs, and cloud architects. You'll sleep soundly knowing your Nginx config is tighter than a submarine hatch. Let's turn chaos into clarity. Here's what's inside the Nginx and Reverse Proxy Pack: SSL termination with automated certificate renewal workflows, reverse proxy chains with header manipulation and path based routing, load balancing modules for session persistence and health checks, caching strategies with Redis and memory optimization, security hardening with click to apply headers like X content type options. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From zero to enterprise grade in one afternoon, that's not just a shortcut, it's a DevOps superpower. Installing the Nginx and Reverse Proxy Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add nginx-reverse-proxy-pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: SSL scripts, proxy templates, security policies, and benchmark tools, all pre-wired. Your next Claude Code session picks up the config patterns automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent Nginx, handling requests like optimize keep alive settings or harden CSP headers. No servers crashed during this installation. Probably.